Tina, how are you? Today I'm back with a very new trick and that is of sequence series. But friends, this trick I will be explaining through a question and that question is of JEE Advanced 2022 for which I have opted and really the paper was very simple. So friends, the short trick is like first just focus on the question. The question tells that let A1, A2, A3 be an AP with a1 is equal to 7, that is we have been given that a1, that is the first term of the AP is 7 and the common difference of the AP is 8. Over here it is given. Then it is given let t1, t2, t3 be such that t1 is equal to 3 and tn plus 1 minus tn is equal to n for n greater than equal to n. Greater than equal to 1. So what here it is given that a1, a2, a3 and up to an is an AP and this is an AP. So if here it is given that first term is 7, then common difference is common difference is 8. So AP will be 7. 7 plus 8, the second term will be 15. 15 plus 8, the third term will be 23 and so on up to nth term. So this is our AP and what next is given that T1, T2, T3 and so on is a random sequence, any sequence it is given. So friends, and what it is given that T1, that is first term of this sequence is T1 is equal to 3 and next it is given that Tn plus 1 minus Tn is equal to an. What it is given that Tn plus 1 minus Tn is equal to n. So for every n greater than equal to 1. So if we put n is equal to 1 over here, so it will be t2 minus t1 is equal to n is 1. So a1. So t2 minus t1 is 3 and a1 is 7. So t2 will be 10. Similarly, if we put n is equal to 3, so it would be t3 minus t2 is equal to a2. T3 minus T2 is 10 and A2 is our 15. T3 is equal to 10 plus 15, 25. So this sequence will be like first term is, what is the first term? It's 3. Then T2 is 10. Then it is 25 and so on. So this is our sequence. So now friends, what it is asked then, which of the following is or are true? So this is the advanced question. So it will be multiple correct questions. So friends, if you look at the sequence carefully, you can notice that here, this is not an AP and neither a GP. So if you see here, focus, 10 minus 3 is 7. This is first difference between these two. Then 25 minus 10 is 15. If we see the next term of this sequence, if we calculate, it would be around 25. 48. The next term is 48 and 25 minus 48 is 23. So friends, if you look at the sequence carefully, if we take the first difference of the two terms of this sequence, these differences, common differences or the first difference between the two terms is in AP. So here we can see these two are in AP. So difference between two is 8. Between these two is 8. This is the second difference. So this is first difference and this is second difference. And if we take the third difference between these two terms is 0. So what the shortcut is, like we have to take, if the common difference of the sequence is in AP, then this shortcut is applicable. So what we have to do, take first difference, then take the second difference and so on till the difference becomes 0. So we have to take, so I have taken up to third difference is 0 over here. So what we have to do, consider these three terms and write the tn. So nth term will be, you can verify this by your own by taking our method that add and subtract the sequences and then we will get an AP. So we have to solve further. So this is the original method, but what the short trick tells, write the first term 3, then 7, then 8, and it is 0, so no need of writing that 0. Then plus, plus, and here what we have to write over here, leave first term as it is. After 7, write over here n minus 1 upon 1 factorial. Further, n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 2 factorial. If there was a further term over here, then we would have written n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 divided by 3 factorial. So by solving this, we will get Tn. So 3 plus 7n minus 7 plus this 2 will cancel out this 4. 4 into n square minus 2n minus n plus 2. Simplify this, what we will get, plus 7n minus 7 plus 4n square minus 4 3s are 12n plus 4 2s are 8. Again further simplification, 8 minus 7, 1. 8 minus 7 is 1, and 1 plus 3, 4, plus 7n minus 12n, it would be minus 5n plus 4n square. Writing it in descending order of n power, so it would be 4n square minus 5n plus 4. So this is our Tn. Got the shortcut of finding nth term. So we have found out the nth term, and as far as we know the Sn is equal to summation of Tn from 1 to n, first term till nth term. So this is a shortcut to find Sn. Very simple short trick is this, and by putting the value of n in these two formulas, we can verify these two questions. So here we will verify it. So friends, look at here. I have written Tn. What we got the Tn, that is the nth term, is 4n square minus 5n plus 4. In options we have been given T20 and T30. So I have taken n is equal to 20. So what we got, the 20th term is 1504. But in option it is given 1604. So option A is cancelled. Then we have given T30, that is 30th term. So let's put 30 in place of n. So it would be 30 square minus 5 into 30 plus 4. And it is really, after you calculate, it will be 3454. So our option C is correct. Option C is correct. We have verified option C also. Now using the formula of Sn. What are Sn is? Friends, I'll calculate over here so it will be easy for you. So Sn is equal to summation of Tn. Now here what is Tn? Summation of 4n square minus 5n plus 4. First I'll calculate the random Sn, that is summation of n terms, and that would be, just separate out the sigma sign on each term. So it would be 4 summation of n square minus 5 into summation of n plus 4 into summation of 1. Now using our formulas, sum of squares of first n natural numbers, 4 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6, minus 5 into sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 plus 4 into summation of 1 n times, so n. So what is our Sn? 4, sorry, 2 by 3 n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 minus 5 by 2 n into n plus 1 plus 4n. Now just put the value of n, like in option we have given from 1 to 20 terms, sum of first 20 terms and sum of first 30 terms. So sorry, so let's put n is equal to 20 over here. So it would be 2 by 3, 20 into 21 into 20 into 2, 40 plus 1, 41 minus 5 by 2 into 20 into 21 plus 4 into 20. If we simplify this, we will get 3, 7, 2, 10. So 2 into 20, 40 into 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28 minus 5 tens are 50 into 21 plus 4 twos are 80, and this will be around 0. 4 sevens are 28, 2 carry. 4 eights are 32 plus 2, 34, 3 carry. 4 twos are 8 plus 3, 11 minus 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 plus 80. So friends, if you see that S20, if we calculate this S20, it is 10510. And what is our option number B? The same. So option B is also correct. And if we see S30, that is sum of first 30 terms, I have calculated it for you. So the our lecture or our video should not lengthen too much. So S30 is 35615, but in option D it is given 35610. So option C and option B are correct. So friends, please tell me how was the video. Was it really helpful for you? And in next video also I'll try to bring new questions, so it would be easy for you all to relate those questions, so you can also solve the questions on your own. Purposely today I took the questions so that you can get how the questions are the short tricks are applicable on the questions. So I hope you got my point, you understood the short trick. And friends, if you have any doubt related to any of my shortcuts or any of the question that you are appearing for any examination and you're having any questions, doubt, you can ask freely in the comments. I'll be there for solving those questions for any time, anywhere. So friends, please like my video, share as much as possible so that many other students can get benefited by this. Friends, I have also learned these short tricks from my teachers, and I feel fortunate to share my knowledge. So I request you all to please share this video so every student can get this. And if you have any doubt, you can please comment me, or any other short trick you want related to any chapter, please tell me. I'll be there for you. Thank you.